Hello all, welcome to my channel agelesslearning. Today we will be learning a very interesting topic, that is voice typing in Google Docs. It is a free dictation tool for Google Docs and Google Slides. This technique reduces the hassle of typing and even writing and makes our lives easier. Let's see how it works. But before that, please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. We will first open Google, type docs.google, enter. The first link which will appear, we will go through this. For entering into the Google Docs, you first need to be signed in into your Google account. See here, I have signed in into my Google account. See, there are 9 dots. So these represent Google apps. And when we go down, we will see that here we can see Google Docs. So either we can enter to the in the Google Docs with this, or we can directly write down docs.google.com. So now we are done. We will open a new document here, blank document, and here we are. This is a Google document which is very much similar to MS Word or Pages in Mac operating system. We have different formatting options here and different tools here. This voice typing may or may not be supported by different browsers. Therefore, best way is to always open in Google Chrome. So let's go to the tools. We will find voice typing here in the tools drop down menu. Voice typing. So click on this voice typing and here this small microphone will appear. Click to speak. When we will speak, it will convert our voice into text. So by default, English US language is set here. This is the microphone button. When I will click this, it will convert into red color and it will start taking my voice. So I will click this. Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel Ageless Learning. Today we are learning voice typing in Google Docs. It is very easy and fun. It prevents us from hassle of typing and saves our time. Also, don't forget to like and share my videos and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Thank you. I know there are many mistakes in this, but still it is much easier to correct these mistakes rather than typing the whole. Also, we don't have any punctuation here which we have to put manually because it has not taken the punctuation. Besides that, we have the formatting option as well, which we have here. So we have to select it all. We can make it bold, italics, underline, change the text color and change the size of the font. For example, this I have done. This is very big. I'm making it to 30. So we can do, and we have to enter the punctuation manually. Moving on to the next language, which is Hindi. We will go to this drop down menu. We have the options here. Any language book, whichever we want, we can select from here. So here we have Hindi language. So from here we will select Hindi and we will start. अयोध्या में राम मंदिर निर्माण के लिए 5 अगस्त को होने वाले भूमि पूजन में देश भर के करीब 8000 पवित्र स्थलों के मिट्टी और जल का उपयोग किया गया। कार्यक्रम से जुड़े लोगों का कहना है कि सामाजिक समरसता का संदेश देने के लिए मिट्टी जल का संग्रह किया जा रहा है. So whatever I have spoken, it has exactly written everything. besides the thing that we don't have punctuation here as well, but that we can manage. So I can again change the font, size, color, everything we can do. So this is about Hindi and English language. Similarly, if you know any other languages, you can type in that as well. Now saving it, first of all, it is on Google, so it auto saves it. Whenever you will again open your Google Drive or Google Documents, you will find it saved there already, so we need not save. So here in this file option, we will see that we can make the copy of this one. We can email this document directly, and we can also take the printout. There are many other things which we can do with this document, and the formatting also we can do as we can do in MS Word or Pages in Mac operating system. So this is all about voice typing in Google Docs. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any queries, please comment them in the comment section below, and I hope this video is useful to you. Please don't forget to share, like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Happy learning. Stay safe. Stay home. Bye bye.